Hello learners in English Language Arts. This recording is for workshops that are coming your way. Instead of doing WIL, which stands for Weekly Instructional Lessons, since everything has already been assigned, now this month we are running workshops trying to help learners get their work caught up and turned in. So hello, if you're seeing this, it probably means that the data is showing that you do need some help getting projects completed in English. That's why I'm here. I can help you with that. So let's talk about Project Workshop. What's the benefits to you? Well, you will get some links to some exemplars of final products. If you come to a workshop, I can show you some previous work, examples of what that product should look like. You will get some answers to some questions like, what do I really need to do here? What do I need to turn in? And you will get your projects done in time before the end of the school year so that you can be promoted to the next grade. Okay, when am I going to have a workshop for secondary students? I'm hoping to have one this Friday, May the 8th, and I would like to have it starting at 10 o'clock. I might run more than one, 10 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the morning, and where? It will be on Zoom, so I will send you the link if you accept the invitation to a workshop. And I hope you do, because I want to help you. Okay, have a good week. Sign up.